I've come out through the town centre into this kind of out of town country park, which is very nice. And first a bit of uphill, which I'm going to walk, and I'm going to try and do the route in probably 2 days, which is about 50 miles a day. Halfway point is Tyndrum, so I will hopefully get there fairly late tonight, camp somewhere nearby, and then probably use the facilities of Tyndrum in the morning to resupply. So along the way I'll try and get some pictures and videos of where I'm coming through, because it's all going to be quite different landscapes and scenery and things. But for the moment I'm walking up this hill, and then when it flattens out I'll start jogging again. First mountains coming into view. Beautiful. So I'm now getting close to Drimmen, and I've done about just under 10 miles I think in about 2 hours, and so far the weather's been absolutely brilliant. So we've got a few more kilometres of this low-lying kind of land between Glasgow and Loch Lomond, and then most of the day today we'll be going alongside Loch Lomond its full length from the south to the north. We're between Drimmen and Balmaha now, and the sun's still out. There's lots of clouds on the horizon, so I think we're going to get some showers later. But at the moment it's quite warm and it's quite a muggy day. I've seen quite a lot of other people on the trail, and judging by accents I'd say it's mostly Europeans, mostly young couples from Europe, and a few from around the UK as well. And I've seen quite a few cyclists. I gather that most of this route is bikeable as well. Look at that view, absolutely fantastic. It's around 7 o'clock, so there's about 2 hours of daylight left. I think it will take me longer than that to get there, but then I'll set the tent up and then pop down into Tindrum in the morning on the way to get some more supplies. But this weather's absolutely fantastic. It's been a day of a couple of showers, a few showers. This afternoon has been a lot sunnier than I thought. So it's nearly dark now. It's just after 9 o'clock. I started with, I think it was 155 kilometers to go at the beginning, and I've just had a look at my watch, and it says there's about 80 to go, which means if I do about 2.5k, I'll have done half of the distance. Admittedly, there's a bit more climb in the second half, but that'd be really good if I can get that done. So 2.5k more, and then I'll stop for the night. This is my camp spot in the woods above Larach. I got here about 10 o'clock last night, and it's been dry the whole time I got here, which is great. Right next to a stream for the water, and I slept really well last night. So it's now about just after 7 o'clock in the morning. Just making a brew, and then I shall get underway for the next part of the route. Looks like it's boiling. So I'm managing to move well this morning, which I'm really happy about. As soon as I started walking or running, I couldn't really feel much in my legs, to be honest. Legs are really happy. I did have 2 blisters from yesterday, both on my toes. So I sorted them out this morning, punctured them and patched them up. So hopefully they're not going to cause too much pain. At the moment they're okay. Last night I was happy with what I'd done, but I was wondering whether I'd be able to do the same distance today. At the moment feeling really positive, but we'll see how the day goes. And we're going to get down to Tindrum and resupply, get some more food for the rest of the day. If I do complete it today, it'll be a late finish in Fort William, probably 10, 12 at night, possibly even later. I'm going to see whether I can get a hotel, possibly, but I'm only going to book that when I know I'm going to make it there. So we'll see how we get on. Hello again.
But you know where it is possible to buy some coffee or something?
Yeah, there's a cafe 200 meters.
Perfect, thank you.
So I just stopped in Tindrum for coffee and a Scottish breakfast, which was exactly what I needed. The drizzle's still here, although there is a bit of brightness in the sky, and it's supposed to be clearing up and then becoming sunshine and showers. So we'll see how we get on. 32 kilometers left to go according to the watch. It's about 20 miles. I started the day with about 78k, so I've done 46, 32 left, so well over halfway today. So really feeling like we're getting towards the end now, which is, overall it's really good. It's sad in a way because it's such a lovely trail, but I'm very much looking forward to reaching the finish. So overall things are going very well. I'm in Kinlochleven and I've only got about 15 miles left, which is brilliant. But in the last few miles my feet have been hurting quite a bit. They're partially macerated, which means that the soles have got wet and have stayed wet. So I've just stopped here and I've got myself some painkillers to help, and I've also applied some Z-Sorb powder, which is a bit like talcum powder, but it's even more absorbent. I'm regretting not bringing metanium, which is what I usually use. I didn't really want to have to carry it, but I really should have done, because that helps to seal the feet. You can put that on at the start of every day. It's basically a nappy cream, but it seals the feet and it just delays the absorption of moisture. Anyway, we'll see how we get on with this. Right, feet have dried out a bit now and I've taped them. So let's see how we get on with that. Let's do the last 15 miles. Done it. Just before 10 o'clock, which is my target. Awesome.